Hello world and welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about a couple of items I got from Tent World, my second favourite store. It's far cheaper than BCF or Anaconda and things like that, so I do a lot of shopping at Tent World. I'll give them a plug. I pay full price for everything, of course. I get no discounts. What they are is a paper pod and a water bottle. Okay, well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers. Yeah, well, I picked up this thing called a paper pod. It's to go into my ute, and it is designed to either hold 2 toilet rolls or 1 paper towel. At the moment, I got one in my pantry drawer. I got to keep pulling out, and I put it on the table. Wind blows it over on the ground, I keep picking it up. So I decided that I might put it in a holder and attach it up to a ceiling over there somewhere. So that's all. I'll show you what it is, and then I'll put it up. It's called a paper pod. Just throw on the towel. It's Australian made. Australian made symbol there. It's for grills and spills. As I said, you can even use it as a toilet roll holder. They do have a smaller one for toilet rolls, which I might even think about getting, but they're not cheap. They're about $40 for the single one, and so you may as well buy a double, and you can put 2 toilet rolls on it. So I'll pop it open. It just comes open like that, and that's it. You put your toilet roll on there, and a paper towel in there, you pull it out, and you can then dispense it. Yeah, the ends just come on and off like that. Yeah, so we need to get into it. It says unlock and lock. It's got a little unlock and lock symbol here. Just there, lock and unlock. So you twist it open. And unlock it. Your velcro's here somewhere, and there's velcro's on the strap, so you just untape it. Don't want to lose it. Get a towel, paper towel. This one's just a cheap one. That's it there, and you want to put it over here. And over and it goes over the roller inside. Only fits certain size ones. You can't put a really thick fat one in there. And then you would just velcros it back up again. And and then you would just put this back on. You line up these two notches and then you screw it on. And that's it. Didn't do that right. Pull that back off again. Yeah, and that's it. You hang it up. At the end of the paper. And that's it. Hang it up like that. And when you're ready, I'm going to hang it up like this. And then you just take it off as you need it. Yeah, I am going to put it up here and hang it in this area. And if I need to put something else, I'll put it over there. But yeah, I'm going to hang it up there. Yeah, I had these things lying around, 2 of them, in the shed, but Bunnings has already sold out and they didn't have any stock coming. So I'm using these 2, and I bought some carabiners. So $8 for a packet like that. I have these in my work car. I use these all the time. So I'm just screwing it up with metal screws, self-drilling. Yeah, so my idea is to put them on with carabiners and save on doing the velcros every time and putting it back together again. So I could have the velcros at the top. I'll see how it goes first. I'll try it without the carabiners and see how it looks. Not straight, but it'll do. Yeah, so then I feed that through that eyelet there. I feed that through that eyelet there. Get the velcros and attach it to here. And that's it. My paper pod is in the way. Open it up, take off a paper you want, and then so it doesn't blow out. Yeah, that's it there. So just use these self-drilling screws. Only put 2 in, each one, and use the Velcro. So it's not going to stay there when I'm travelling. I'm going to be putting it down and just up when I'm in camp. As I say, I get the paper towel out of here. There's normally one in here, which is at the back there. You can see it in there, that's a paper towel there. I take that and put it on my table, and the wind keeps blowing over. Now, I don't want to keep opening this drawer because it interferes with stuff on my table. So I have it out, but now I've got it up there. I can just use it when I'm required. Now, I was going to go to Bunnings and buy a stainless steel one or something, but they were about $30 and they weren't what I wanted. They were more designed for a wall mount, not a roof mount. So yeah, that'll be going there. If I wanted to, I can put in the toilet one beside it, so I don't have to keep going into my my box and I'm going to use the toilet paper. Or I can put another one of these up there and have 2 toilet rolls. But at the moment, I'm just going to leave the one here. It sits there nice, out of the way. I can then utilise this top of the bench top here. Yeah, I can use, now that's out of the way, I can still utilise the bench top here for things, storing things. My table is here. And as I say, that comes out to there, and I do put stuff behind it, so it will knock it if I try to get that out, in and out all the time. That's why I normally have it out. And this is my pantry drawer. Now it has all my gas, my quick boil, coffee pot, one cup in here, some other water cups. This is my coffee cup. Salt, peppers and gas and spices and sauces are in here. With a tea towel I use regularly, and I wash it. That needs washing. I might wash it. Yeah, and it's my pantry drawer. So yeah, so that's going to be a good addition there to get out the paper as required. See, you can buy one of these and have one toilet. I buy another one, which I might do, and put a toilet roll in there, and in the end cap I can probably put some wet wipes and hand cleaner. You know, you can have it in the end. The end screws on and off pretty quick to get access to the stuff in the end of it. Okay, well, I hope you liked this video. It's a short one on this product called a Paperpod. Paperpod, yeah. Australian product. Use it for barbecues and as I say, you can use it for toilet paper or dispensing ordinary paper. Keeps it organised in my camping gear. It's up out of the way. It's not going to blow away off the table like it does in the past. And you can just readily get the piece off it and use it. Anyway, I hope you like this video, as I said, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.